Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and happy hump day. And we got some watch faces for you to check out by Glance Watch Faces. So stay tuned, it's coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got some awesome watch faces to take a look at by Glance Watch Faces. Now, this guy definitely does great work on watch faces, and we're going to check out number one. Now, number one is called Glance Live. Very nice looking watch face. I'm already liking the design. I like the dials within this, and it is the analog watch face. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the full look of this watch face in always on mode for the Gear 3. For the Gear 2, it's going to be slightly different if I'm not mistaken. Now, if you look at the watch face when it's on, first of all, I like the little meter for your battery, and I like the meter for your step status, which gives you the info on how much of your step goal you have completed thus far. You're going to get calories burned, you're going to get your steps in this one dial, and you come down, you're going to get your month, and if you look right here, you'll get your date. Very nice look. And over here, this dial is going to give you your 24-hour time. For those of you all who like 24 hours, I thought this was a good look, and it is inactive. So you can single tap and you can go into your calendar here. Here you can set an alarm. And on this one, of course, you already know what you're going to pull up. Should be your step status, if I can get this to go, calories burned, info, things of that nature. I like this watch face, right? So I'm going to double tap. I can change the color of the watch face as well. Put it on one of my favorite colors. You get 6 out of them all, and just pick one of your favorite colors or color coordinate to whatever you're wearing for that day, and you're good. All right, you all, that's it for watch face number one. Let's check out watch face number two. Watch face number two. Now, number two is nice. This one is called Glance Cosmos. First of all, I'm loving the background of this. I'm loving the animation as well. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look for the Gears 3. For the Gears 2, it's probably going to be slightly different. But when this watch face is on, this is definitely a beauty. It looks like you're in outer space, right? I like the design. I like the layout. If you look at the top, you're going to get your battery info. And you also have a meter that's going around the digital number, and the same thing for your steps to the right. Dead center, you got a moon phase, which is always good. You come down, you got digital time, which is very legible. I like that. You get your month and your date. You come all the way down, you get what's important to many people, and that is your step and your calories burned as well, right? So what I like about the dial, well, not really dials, but let's say your battery and your steps. I like the ring that's going around it. Same thing for the steps and your calories burned. It really gives it a little bit of character and makes it pop out a little bit more, right? But if I double tap, I can change the color, which really makes this pop. This red is definitely awesome. I'm going to cycle through most of them just so you get an idea what you're in for when you download this watch face. You got to check this out in the Gear Manager store. I'm loving this one. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number not least. Watch face number three. Now, number three is really nice. I'm loving the look. I'm loving the design of this watch face. The name of it is called Glance Futura. Now, first off, I'm thinking Glance really did a great job on all three of these watch faces, especially this one. I'm going to give them 2 thumbs up in the door and tell them, listen, continue to do what you're doing. I thought you did an awesome job. Now, this watch face in always on mode is pretty much going to give you the full look at what you would get when the watch face is on. It's just going to be dimmed down for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. But when the watch face is on, what I'm liking is the design in the background. Very nice, very different. And I like the choice of colors that he picked for this watch face. And the animation is definitely top notch. It has a good look to it. I'm loving this one. This one, I think I'm going to be wearing tomorrow, right? Now, you also get everything that you could possibly want out of a watch face. You're going to get the day of the week. You're going to get your digital time. You're going to also get battery info, steps, your miles walked or ran. You also get how much of your step goal you have completed as well. And the watch face is inactive. If you tap on the smaller dials, right, or bubbles, that one to give you your weather. This one is going to give you your info on your steps and your calories burned. I'm going to tap on that one. I can set an alarm. If I tap on the one in the middle, you can pull up your calendar, set the event if you choose to. I thought this was definitely a good look. And if you look at the watch face going into it, it looks like it has a 3D effect. Again, Glance, great job. Continue to do great work. this one here is awesome. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this watch face review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And the next one I'm going to add that is new, spread it. Share my watch faces with other people you may think might like to see some awesome watch faces and or some free watch faces. And with that, I want to see you all at the next video. Take care.